vabandust, kas siin mõni pood on läheduses?
kui nüüd siit alla sõita, niisugune kollane maja jääb paremat kätte.
Okei.
Võib-olla üks 3 minutit lastega olla.
So I reached the first camping spot, but I don't really like this one because it's really close to the road right there. So I'm going to the next one, which is an hour or 2 away. The sun has already set, so hopefully I can make it before I can't see anything. Have to hurry. So the torch function on my phone is barely working. For some reason it refuses to work sometimes. I have battery on 5%. It's pitch black, as you can see. I'm in the middle of some forest. See, the phone just turns off for some reason. So yeah, that's plenty of fun, but the noises in the forest are so much scarier when you can't see really anything, so. But it's only 5 kilometers until the next camping spot where I'm definitely staying, so I'll do my best to get there without dying. So you can't see them, but I can. There are 2 guys having a pillow fight on the balcony. They don't know I'm here because I don't have any light reflectors, and my bike rides really quietly, but they're having a good time. Or they're both naked, by the way, but really fun things you see in the forest at night. This is how much I can see. And this is where I have to go. So yeah, fun times.
vaata üles. Täitsa pekkis. Kuule, aga kui on nii selge tavaliselt tuleb külm öö, tead jah? Ei tule. Soe tuleb.
The tent is ready. So if it looks like it is floating, that's because it is made like this. It's a really good design. I actually really like this tent. It packs up really into a small package, and it is really nice to sleep in, and also it keeps you quite warm. So I have packed my things. The two ladies just drove away, and now I'll wait a bit until my phone charges, because it didn't charge at night for some reason. Probably it just got disconnected. And I'll explore the surroundings. The sea is really near, so I'll go take a look. Although it might look like summer to you, it is actually really cold here by the sea. It is quite windy, although the sun is out, which is nice, but still quite unpleasant, like the really cold wind coming from the sea. I'm going back into the forest. So this is how far I made it yesterday. As you can see, it's 12 kilometers until the end of the track. Well, technically this is not the end of the track, but the start of the track, but still only 12 kilometers to go, and then I'll decide what to do next. So I'm at this Käbi bus station, and looking at the schedule, they get the bus about once per day. Or twice, yeah, they get the bus twice per day, and that's it. Too bad I don't have anything to eat with me, because this is a perfect camping spot. and also it seems that there is electricity here, although this is only a ground wire, but yeah, this is only a ground wire, but maybe power is in the pipe somewhere. I actually was here yesterday, but it was so dark I couldn't see anything. But now riding back, it's a really cool place. Good thing I came twice, because yesterday I was kinda in a hurry and it was pitch black, so I couldn't see anything, but today it's way better.